Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your name on Call of Duty Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to change your name on Call of Duty Mobile, first launch open your game and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage, tap on your profile avatar or the icon at the top left-hand corner where your name should be displayed. Now, select Basic from the left-hand side menu. You'll be able to see your name displayed at the top. Tap on the pencil icon right next to your name and then type in your name in the text box you'd like to change to. Remember that renaming your name will cost you one renaming card. If you have it, you can simply tap the change button to change your name on Call of Duty Mobile. That is how you can easily change your name in Call of Duty Mobile, quick and easy. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.